The McKim Observatory I would describe as being an excellent example of a late 19th century observatory.
It's the oldest observatory in Indiana. From its inception, the building was designed to both to teach and learn and observe and be the splendor for the common good.
So there's this long tradition of having astronomy at DePauw, and I think this is a great place to showcase that. And at the same time, it's still functional. We use it for classes. So I would say the star is our Clark refracting telescope. Alvin Clark and Sons were the famous lens makers of the late 1800s. It's like just a treasure to have a Clark telescope.
To a certain extent, the instrument upstairs now would be officially viewed as priceless, because there aren't but a handful of them exist in the country or the world for that matter. And we have, as far as I know, the one that's operational at this size with this instrument.
And it really seems like it's a charming place and should be a place that could be a little history of astronomy at DePauw.